Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So today guys, we are doing this beautiful hairstyle that I did on my little sister. She looks so cute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So you're gonna start by blow drying your hair and then sectioning your hair into a half up, half down, exactly as I am doing, and then you section out the hair on top, and then you start doing cornrows at the back. You are preparing to sew in the hair, and then I decided to start by sewing in the hair before doing the styling gel, because I feel like this way is better than when you have already did put on the styling gel, and then yeah, you go ahead and do the cornrows like that. After doing the cornrows, you want to go ahead and combine all the cornrows together exactly as I am doing, and then you secure them so that they don't unwrap themselves by sewing them together. And then you want to go ahead and take your bundle of human hair, and then you sew it in on the hair exactly as I am doing. When you are done sewing in, you then go ahead and section out the hair that you'll be using for your bang, exactly as I am doing. I didn't want to section out a lot of hair because I don't want her bang to be too huge. I just wanted it to be medium size. So yeah, I went ahead and sectioned out the hair exactly as I am doing. When you section out your hair for the bang, make sure that you open a C shape type of parting, and then you want to go ahead and take your Dark and Lovely 48-hour styling gel and then apply it on the hair exactly as I am doing, and then make sure that you apply a generous amount of the styling gel. After applying the styling gel, you then take your wool or your ribbon, anything that you prefer tying with, and then you tie your hair exactly as I am doing. You can add more styling gel, it is entirely up to you, but the more you add a lot of styling gel, the longer it lasts. But if you use less styling gel, it'll be quick it won't last. Let me just say it won't last. And then after that, you want to go ahead and do your edges exactly as I am doing, and then after doing your edges, you want to go ahead and dry your hair with hot heat, warm air, yeah. And then once the hair is completely dry, you can then now take your section out the hair and braid the hair that you'll cover the bonding with after sewing it in. So this is the hair that I am going to cover the bonding with, and then after doing that, I went ahead and did cornrows so that I can sew in the band. Today I didn't do the glue bangs. I decided to sew them in because my little sister said she doesn't want glue on her hair, which I don't understand why, but yeah, I did the sew in method. yeah. And then when you are done braiding the hair, you want to go ahead and sew in the bonding exactly as I am doing. We are done sewing in the hair. It is time to style the hair now. You want to go ahead and take out the hair, unbraid the hair that you've sectioned out to cover the bonding, and then apply your oil sheen exactly as I am doing. And then you want to go ahead and hair dry your hair to blend it with the bonding. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and take your straightener, and in this case I'm using a steam pot, but it serves the same purpose. And then you curl your hair out exactly as I am doing. You start by curling the bang out, and then right now I'm moving on to the bun that I am about to do. I want it to be like a fan kind of a bun, and then I twisted the hair exactly as I did, and then I took my rubber bands and tied it exactly as I have done. And then you open it up like that, and then after so doing, you want to go ahead and take your straightener and then curl it as well exactly as you've curled the bang. When you are done curling the bun, you want to go ahead and take your holding spray and spray the bun, and make sure that the ends or the flyaways stick to the bun. And then you straighten the hair and make sure that it is silky so that it matches the bonding. And then you cut your hair into your desired length. In this case, I was not only trimming the ends, I was really going in deep with the cutting. I wanted it to be straight, and she didn't want it to be like too long. And then after so doing, you want to go ahead and style the back. You do the curls that you did with the bang. You do the same curls on the hair exactly as I am doing. When you are done curling the hair, you want to take your holding spray, spray it on your comb, and then comb the hair to make sure that the natural hair blends with the extension. And then this is how your hairstyle should look when you are done. She looks so good, she looks so stunning. I ate this hairstyle. I made sure I look at this. This is so beautiful. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and also do like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications so that every time I post a new video you get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all. God bless you all.